goes fast, stand up for the weak and to kneel at the flag. So I got a problem with people disrespecting what our forefathers fought for and what it's representing. I bleed red, white, and blue, it's not an act. So if you don't agree, I've got a problem with that. I run with the wild horses. Some people in this world, they just want to fight without carving out the time to get the facts right. And when we don't agree, all hell breaks loose.